I cannot believe this. I fly 22 hours to shave my head for the first time in my whole life. Welcome to Istanbul, baby. When I was growing up, my hair was full and thick and it would stop a bullet. And now you can almost see what I'm thinking.
How did it start and everything? Yeah.
Well, just natural. I mean, you guys say it, 1 in 2 men by 35 goes bald. So, I mean, I'm getting there. It's just thinned out a lot. When I was a kid, it was, I mean, incredibly thick. It just receded crazy. And in the States, the same procedure is $15,000, $20,000, $30,000, depending on where I go. So decided to make a vacation out of it. I watched the Barstool Sports and a handful of other people that you've done. I've read a lot of reviews and you guys seem to be a pretty prestigious place. So I figured I'd give you guys the opportunity. I'm watching my hairline run away from me faster than anything else.
What are you blaming for? Your father's side, your mom's side?
Oh no, my dad. I'm a spitting image. I look exactly like him. I have the same exact hair. Everything is almost identical.
Hi, this is Dr. Razak from Estenove, and we are going to take our patients and start the consultation now, and we will detect what's the issue. The main impacted area is definitely the front, but from the front, it goes all the way back to the crown. Yes, the central crown looks okay, but there is an early sign of thinning here as well. We will not implant anything here because right now it is bushy, but we don't know how it's going to be in 5 to 10 years.
Yeah.
If it keeps receding to back, then there might be a possible gap here.
So I mean, like I said with my father, so you got, you know, the part, his sides, he can't grow it out as far as it is with me, but he doesn't have hair loss here. He's still, you can't see his head, but the top is.
I see. So this is your muscle border. We're gonna start from the middle here, and I don't want to go all the way across straight like this. It is a very unnatural design. The lines should slightly go upwards. Of course, we can talk about it. I want to be on the same page with you, 100% about this.
Yeah, I mean, I have my thoughts. I'm the patient, you're the doctor. I wasn't very good at school, so obviously, you know a little bit more than I do. I respect your opinion, and you know, just tell you what I like, and if we can make it happen, we want to make it happen.
I mean, this is your hairline, so
absolutely.
This is your the final call will be yours. So
of course, but like I said, I obviously respect the opinion. So
thank you.
Absolutely.
Can you turn to me completely like this?
No, I can see how the line would be good. Plus with the curls, and I put it back, and I do. The thickness is really, you know,
yes,
the most important.
The texture from the back will provide that.
Perfect.
All right, let's get started. We're gonna start preparing you now. Get you to the room, take your clothes, and take your blood. We will prepare you for the local anesthesia.
Okay. Just got done with my consultation with the doctor. All my questions were answered. Couldn't be more confident with the procedure. I can't wait to see how everything turns out. This could be my Halloween costume if I didn't miss it. Just leave it just the way it is right now.
You were like the Trevor from GTA 5 in the first.
The top? Obviously everything's all clean, we're ready to go. And I'm committed. Well, halfway there. I can't wait to see what it looks like when we're all done.